So we're installing the stereo in this 4x4, and so we'll be showing how to install it and everything. So here we are installing the stereo. We're just combining the colors here. So the purples with the purples, greens with greens. Now we're connecting the last one for the power. Make sure you get the colors right. Pretty much zip tying everything so it's nice and tight to squeeze in the inside. Plug it into the stereo. Make sure you plug both in, top and bottom. Now we're taking off the original stereo. We're going to be installing the new stereo. Make sure you connect it. So I need to make a little cut to make sure it fits in. That's how you make it fit. Make sure to sand it so it's nice and smooth. So pretty much you gotta fish the line to the back. and through the side. Okay, so he had to make a hole right there to pretty much feed the cable. So as you can tell, the cable is pushed through and it's hanging right there. And so it's gonna go all the way to the very back. Hopefully it's long enough. And so for the truck, connecting the yellow in the back for the back camera. Connecting the red. So here we're connecting the cable to the back left light. So now it's connected to the back left light through here. So here's how it looks on the side. Now he's connecting the black cable with the other black cable. So the red one goes to the reverse light, and the black one goes to the ground. So here it is connected to the back of the truck. Okay, so here we have the USB, the aux for headphones. You have your volume up, volume down. You have your stereo. You click there next. You have your power on or menu. Reverse it. You have your time, your radio, your Bluetooth, your music. So you just click in it. Okay, so Bluetooth. You have your auto play, auto link, AVN, AX settings. Here we have settings, autoplay, rubber, left, parking, camera mirror off, radio, region, Europe. Want to change it to US. There it goes. Then you have your Bluetooth, auto connect, Bluetooth answer, key light, reversing, delay, exit reverse. Your reverse guide, restore default. Here you have your time, so you can change everything. You have your regions. You have your setup. You have your different cables. You have your bass, your tri, loud, and you can change the selection of the audio. Go back to the actual stereo. Okay, so then you go stereo. A little delay. Oh, right there. Go back to radio. So you do the search. Bluetooth. Wireless. Camera. Okay, so we're just going to look at the reverse. Okay, and then that's the reverse camera. So this is an extremely great stereo, and so we'll be using it for a long time, and hopefully this video helps you in your buying decision process. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.